Hi friends, welcome to momedaram. In this video, we will see how to make a collection read only. Read only collection is nothing but a collection which cannot be modified once created. Once we have created a collection, it should not allow any modifications like add, remove, update. Just we can able to view the data. That kind of collections is called as read-only collection. Why we need read-only collection? To protect or to restrict the modifications on important data. How we will restrict the modifications on any collection objects? To do that, we have a class called collections. This collections class has several utility methods. By using that methods, we can able to achieve. If we have a list objects, that is array list, linked list or vector, and if you want to convert them to read only, that time we will use collections dot unmodifiable list. Here object is nothing but whatever the object you want to convert into read only. That is, it may be array list, linked list or vector objects. So if we have hash set or linked hash set or any set objects, if you want to make them read only, that time we can use collections dot unmodifiable set. If you have map objects, if you want to convert into read only, that time we will use unmodifiable map. If you want to convert a navigatable set, that is navigatable related objects, you want to make as read only, that time we will use collections dot unmodifiable navigatable set. So navigatable map also we can able to convert. Sorted set related objects, sorted map related objects, and a collection also. If you want to make any collection read only, we will use collections dot unmodifiable collection. So these many methods are available to make any collection read only in Java. Consider we have an array list and we applied this collections dot unmodifiable list and we have created a unmodifiable, that is read only collection. If you perform any add, remove, update operations on unmodifiable object, what will happen? If you perform these operations, add, remove, update, that is modifications, if you try to do any modifications, it will give unsupported operation exception. It will not allow to do any modifications. If you try to do modifications, it will give unsupported operation exception. Consider we have an array list and it has 5 elements. So we have created a list object, that is unmodifiable list object. So this unmodifiable list also will have 5 elements. Now if you perform any operations on original object, that time what will happen? Whether that changes will be reflected in the read only object or not? Yes, if you perform any operations, that is modifications operations on original collection, and those modifications are reflected in the read only collection. If you see in this example, we have created a linked list object. So it has 5 elements A, B, C, D, E, and we have created unmodifiable list by using collections dot unmodifiable list. Here object is the linked list object. So when you print this one list, this is read only object, we are able to see A, B, C, D, E. After that, when we are trying to remove an object from the unmodifiable list, it is giving unsupported operation exception, it is giving. So we cannot able to perform remove operation. Here we are trying to perform add operation. Here also it is giving unsupported operation exception. Here if you see, we are trying to update the value, that is 0th index, that is we are trying to update from A to F. Here also it is giving unsupported operation exception. So once we created a unmodifiable list or any unmodifiable collection, we cannot able to perform any operations, that is modification operations. Just we can able to view, that is read only will be there. If we see in this example, we have created linked list and it has 5 elements, and after that we have created a unmodifiable list and we are able to print the list, it is giving A, B, C, D, E. After that we are adding a new element in the original collection, that is original linked list object, that is AL. After that we are printing this read only object. So here it is giving A, B, C, D, E, G. So whatever the operations we have performed in the original, it will be reflected in the unmodifiable list also. So if somebody asks how we can able to make collection as read only, we have collections class. In that several utility methods are there, that is unmodifiable list, unmodifiable set, unmodifiable map. These methods we can able to use, and we can able to make any collection as read only in Java. This is all about this video. Thanks for watching.